Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to do another picture composition. This is a lively and colorful illustration of a picture which you can see on the screen playing beach volleyball by the sea during sunset. And can you see 4 people are playing the game on the sandy beach. Now are you ready to write the simple sentences using this picture? Let's get started. Now look at this picture carefully and observe. What do you see? Yes, take the time and think. So it shows people playing volleyball on a beach of sunset. So how many people are playing? 4. With the sea, sand, sky, birds and trees. So many things you can see in the picture. Now we'll write simple sentences about all these things. So are you guys ready? Very good. Now we'll write 10 sentences one by one. 4 people are playing volleyball on the beach. 1 player is jumping to hit the ball. Third, the net is in the sand. The sun is setting over the sea. The sky has clouds. A seagull is on the sand. A bird is flying in the sky. The sea has waves. There are green leaves at the top of the tree, and everyone looks happy. So these are the simple sentences that tell us what is in the picture. I hope it's very easy to write these 10 sentences by looking at the picture. Now, what we'll do? Yes, tell me. We'll take these simple or basic sentences and I will tell you how to make it better and describe it in a beautiful, detailed sentence. How? As I told you in my earlier videos, so we will use, yes, adjectives, descriptive words, right? And extra details, what is given in the picture, and extra information by adding when, where, how, and why. Okay, so these are the extra details that will add in our sentences to make our sentences more impressive. So are you ready? Let's start. So this is the first sentence. 4 people, or we can use friends, right, are playing volleyball on the beach. So what you can add? You can add who, where, when, and adjectives like energetic, soft, golden, pleasant, right? So what sentence you can make it? On a beautiful or pleasant evening, 4 young people, or we can say 4 energetic friends, are playing an exciting game of beach volleyball on the sandy beach, or we can say on the soft golden sand by the sea. Now you can see how I have changed this sentence by adding the adjectives who, where, and when using sensory details. Next sentence. 1 player is jumping to hit the ball. Now, you can see there is a player who is going to hit the ball. So what you can add or describe its appearance, action, and how he does it, right? So now by doing or describing these things, means action, appearance, and how does he do it, we can change this sentence into better sentence. Like 1 energetic player wearing orange t-shirt and blue shorts is jumping, or we can use another vocab, leaping high into the air to powerfully hit, or we can use another word, smash the ball over the net. So instead of writing 1 player is jumping to hit the ball, what we can write? 1 energetic player wearing orange t-shirt and blue shorts is jumping high into the air to powerfully hit the ball over the net. Clear? Got it? How to write this simple sentence into a beautiful describing sentence? Next sentence. The net is in the sand. Now this is very simple sentence. We'll use adjectives like strong, warm, and tell where it is and why. Okay, so we are describing now net. So what we can write? A sturdy or strong. These are the synonyms. So we can use rich vocabulary also in our sentences. So the sturdy, strong volleyball net with a red flag. Can you see this flag? is tightly or firmly. We can use these two. Fixed in the warm beach sand, dividing the two teams under the open sky. Now you can see how this simple sentence, the net is in the sand, converts into this beautiful sentence. The strong volleyball net with a red flag is tightly fixed in the warm beach sand, dividing the two teams under the open sky. Now you can relate by looking at the picture what we have written. Okay. Next sentence. The sun is setting over the sea. Now, what we can add in this sentence to make this sentence beautiful? We can add colors, we can add movement, and we can add effect on the scene. Now, let's see how it converted. The glowing bright orange sun is slowly setting over the car. Sparkling blue sea. Painting or filling, we can use the sky with warm colors or the sky with soft shades of pink and purple. Now you can see in the picture, is this fitting appropriately? Right. So the glowing or bright orange sun is slowly setting over the calm, sparkling blue sea, filling the sky with warm colors. Such a beautiful sentence. Next sentence, the sky has clouds that we all see in the picture, right? Now, what we add to this picture, we add its appearance on, right? So how the sky is painted with the shades of pink, purple, and orange, because you can see three shades in this picture with colorful, fluffy, cotton-like clouds. Now, see the beautiful adjectives that you added that glow beautifully, or we can say floating gently in the warm light of the setting sun. See how you describe the sky with the clouds. Clear? Move to the next sentence. A seagull is on the sand. Now, simple. This is the seagull that you can see. Now, what you can define, you can add color details and what it is doing, right? So by adding these things, the sentence is converted into a white seagull with an orange beak, right? Stands quietly on the warm sand, watching the volleyball game curiously. See how this simple sentence convert into a beautiful sentence by adding details, color details. Next sentence. A bird is flying in the sky. This is the bird that you can see. So convert this sentence by describing how it flies and where it goes. So a graceful bird, or we can write only another seagull, is flying smoothly across the clear evening sky, spreading its wings wide as it glides above the beach, adding life to the scene. Now, can you imagine how beautifully we can write or convert by adding the sensory details in the simple sentence? Next sentence. The sea has waves. Now, what you can write in this, we use sound words and adverbs like gently, softly, because the sound that we can listen. So the gentle sea waves are rolling softly onto the shore, creating a soothing, or we can write peaceful sound in the background. So in place of sound, we can also use rich vocabulary rhythm in the background. So this simple sentence, the sea has waves, we can write the vivid detail like the gentle sea waves are rolling softly onto the shore, creating a soothing sound in the background. Next, there are green leaves at the top of the picture. Now you can see this green leaves. So now we can tell where they are and what they add to the picture. Simple. We can write these two things. We can write these details and our sentence will convert into a awesome sentence. Bright green leafy branches. So these are the branches from a nearby tree, because there will be a tree only, hang over the top of the scene because it is on the top. Or we can write frame the top of the picture beautifully, adding freshness and a touch of nature to the beach view. Such a beautiful sentence. Now the last sentence is everyone looks happy. Now in this sentence, what we add, To make this sentence a beautiful sentence, we can add or we can use feelings, expressions, and settings, right? So see how it is looking like. All the friends or players look cheerful and active as they enjoy their fun-filled game together under the setting sun. So cheerful, enjoy their fun-filled game together. So these are the feelings and expressions that they have. So, or you can write all the players have joyful expressions on their faces as they enjoy a fun game by the seaside. This sentence you can also write. Now, did you see how we change our simple sentences? So what is the tip? We can add adjectives, we can add adverbs, we can add extra details, and we can also imagine the sounds, colors, and feelings, right? So that's how you can turn your basic lines into a beautiful picture compositions. And these sentences which we have written are now more descriptive, engaging, and vivid. And hope you understand how to write the simple sentences and make it better. So if you like this video, okay, so don't forget to share, like, and subscribe and hit the bell button for more writing lessons. And also, I want to tell you, if you want, right? If you want, I can make it even simpler videos for the kids and I will give you a bilingual version. Okay, so just let me know and write down in your comment box. I will wait for reply. Okay. So till then, see you next time. Bye.